Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Deb with Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More, and this is my collaboration that I host, and it is called Jewelry Making Fun. So each month we have a mandatory color theme, and for October, it is a Halloween theme, and the colors are purple, black, orange, and green. So it can be any combination of them. And then we had an optional challenge to use glow in the dark beads, which I did on these, and I'll go over these in a minute. An optional challenge too was to make a chunky charm, purse charm, full planner charm, etc. And I really wasn't feeling the purse charm at first, and then I found these things. Anyway, so the first thing I did is these cute little earrings. I don't have them on earring cards yet. They are skulls because actually about 2 weeks ago I was looking in my inventory for something else, my business inventory in my system, and I came across the fact that I had a whole strand from Michaels of these multicolor magnesite reconstituted stone multi-skull, excuse me. So there were 4 purples, and looks like 4 orange and 4 of these white sort of color. So I made a pair of earrings out of the purple and the white with brown, and these are bead jackets that were from Beadalon in silver plate. I got them at Jewel School. Don't ask me when, probably like 2013 or something like that, 12 or 13. And I have a whole pack of them. They hadn't been opened yet, which I was kind of surprised at because I thought I used them before. Anyway, I thought they kind of looked like bones. I mean, in the design, they are diamonds, but they're sort of bony shaped diamonds, aren't they? Maybe that's just my imagination because I watched, I got a new Roku stick thing for my TV, and I got, I don't know what channel it was on, but I watched Bones. I used to love that show. Anyway, so that kind of made me think of this. And then I thought, well, I should do the purse or planner charm. I didn't have any closure in a black, or a hematite except these ball pins, and I got these from a whole pack of them in varied colors from Fire Mountain a while back. This is a purple glass bicone. I've used them before, and I have a whole big bag of them, again from Fire Mountain. These are, I think, also from Fire Mountain, but they are Swarovski neon pearls. Probably have the thing covered up, but they're like a 10mm neon pearl. And then I thought I needed something here, and I found I had these. I miss AC Moore. Have I mentioned that before? Anyway, these are 7mm black with crystal spacer beads. Yeah, I had really big ones too, but they didn't look as good. And then these are bead caps I got from Bisou Boutique. They're the only place, and that was 2014. They're the only place I found them in black like that. I have other ones in silver and I think antique brass or something like that. I haven't used them much. So I thought, perfect. They sort of look like a witch's skirt or broomstick or something, right? So I have a random black gemstone bead in here from a bead soup mix kind of thing. And then these iris faceted rounds in their glass that I used on, when did I use them? Passion for Purple for a pair of earrings. And then I had all these enamel chains, and I had purple, green, and orange. So there you go. I used the last 2 purple skulls, put them on purple chain, one for each of these 2. I was only going to make one. I thought, well, I might as well use the other pair, because what am I going to use them for other than another something like this? So I cut roughly 7 links. I wasn't even caring about whether they matched up or not, because I kind of wanted them to be different lengths, and because the chains are different like this is a little bit bigger than the green link, and then the purple link is even bigger. So 7 links makes them hang a little different. So there you have it. There's my witchy skull planner purse charm things on ball pins, which just opened like a safety pin kind of thing, like that. And I'm glad I finally used them. So those are my makes for this month. No necklaces or anything. I'm not big on making a lot of Halloween jewelry because by the time I get to do my craft fairs, Halloween is over, and people will buy things that, you know, like probably these earrings will sell because people that like skulls will buy these kind of dainty earrings. I don't know about these, maybe, if they're not priced too high. So I tried to keep them without too many beads on them because that raises the price up. And even these are a little expensive, but I thought they really made the piece. So let me know what you think down below. And would you use these? I would use this on my purse at Halloween and then pull it out every year and put it on my purse. So I may end up with one of these and sell the other one, something like that. I don't know where I got, well, the orange chain I got from jewelrymaker.com, which is a UK company. But these two, I think I got them in an Etsy shop, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. I think it was My Elements, maybe, but I'm not 100% sure. I know there was a lady, My Elements has a store, and she did sell enamel chain and stuff before. So it might have been her. So that's where I got everything that I can think of, except for the head pins and eye pins, and I don't know. Some of them were beadbox bargains, and I don't know where the other ones were from. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to check the links below and check everyone else out that's in the collab. There's about roughly 10 of us, including me, I think. And we post each month on the 18th, right around noon. And mine might be a few minutes late today, but we'll see. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great month, week, whatever, rest of October, and happy Halloween.